Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, December 30th, 2016, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, we ended up the trading year with another crappy day. That was a little bit disappointing. We closed out. We only had one position coming in. We did close that out about 11,000 positive, or I'm sorry, 1,100 positive. Wish it was 11,000. Closed out 1,100 positive, but if we could have just stopped there, it would have been just fine. But as this market goes down, we end up buying 6 new positions. Every one is negative, and so we are carrying negative $6,000 over the long weekend going into next Tuesday. That's a little disappointing. I mean, we'll get over that. I would like to just offer a little encouragement here, however. I, I I actually think this pullback will help us. And I've done a lot of trading, and although I can't guarantee it, the first day of trading of the new year is usually a pretty good up day. And all indications are that there's a lot of optimism in the marketplace, and it wouldn't surprise me if next week on January 3rd, this downside action that we've seen in the last 3 days will reverse itself, and could reverse it very strongly. I even, I could even see this thing exploding and actually taking out that 20,000 mark on that would be Tuesday, January 3rd. But again, maybe I'm just being having fantasies here, but I do know the first trading day of the year can oftentimes be very volatile, and when you do have some positive thinking floating around out there, this could really drive the market. So I'm prepared for anything next Tuesday. But anyway, today was really kind of bad. And I don't have hardly anything to show you. Well, I'll show you the one halfway decent trade we had. And that is Hecla Mining. And the main thing I like about it isn't the profits we made. We bought this thing yesterday as a pop-up. We hung on to it, and we got a pretty positive close. It popped way up right at the beginning. Unfortunately, it came back down some for when we got out. But we still got out of that with $1,100. But, man, look at this sell-off after we got out. That I posted this on StockTwits and said sell the top, and yeah, we were really selling the top up here. That thing really fell apart right after we got out. So very, very happy with that single trade, but I wasn't at all happy with the rest of them. Anyway, that's the way it went on the last day of the year. You guys have an absolutely fantastic New Year's, and I will be back here next year on Tuesday, January 3rd, signing out for 2016.